Good day, Doctor. We are from Section 3, Group 5. Our title is Challenges and Opportunity in Implementing Automation in Manufacturing Process. The case study at MALAYSIA Jian. I'm Jian and my matrix number is AP190154. And here is my groupmate, Cheong Ying, Suhk, Jian, Hui Yeng, and Chyi. Now I would like to proceed my part, which is Introduction, Background of Study. First, the UNIVERSITI has its priority held condom manufacturing in Qian, Johor, Malaysia, and it founded in 2005. It produces and distributes high-grade latex condom to more than 40 nations worldwide. And UNIVERSITI's mission is to produce and market high-quality latex condom and other associated personal care items that encourage healthy lifestyle. Their goal is to improve the desirability and accessibility of latex condom. Next is problem statement. UNIVERSITI has problem on adapting the new technology to the old technology can be difficult at times, and it might include administrative expenses. And determining which solution will be the most preferred can be challenging. Next, the automation system and equipment design, implementation, and control need particular skill and expertise. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected the business operation of UNIVERSITI in import and export. Next is objective. Our objective is to determine the automation application used in the production process of the UNIVERSITI and to estimate the SWOT analysis of using automation in the production process of UNIVERSITI. Our scope of study is limited to UNIVERSITI in Qian, Johor, Malaysia, and we are using qualitative research method and self-generated questions. So, we are interviewing the senior production manager of UNIVERSITI as the target respondent to distribute the questionnaire.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Jian. Now I will continue to present the methodology part. Research design. The type of this report is fundamental research. In this study, we will use a qualitative method to obtain the primary data from the targeted respondent. Therefore, semi-structured interview will be used to collect the data. The data analysis used in this research was a logical method to explain, summarize, and evaluate the data collected from the interview sections. Interviews are typically conducted one-to-one and are simple conversations. Qualitative research was used due to we need to get a detailed response from the targeted respondent on a certain topic. There are 5 steps of research process from the beginning to the end in conducting this research. The research consists of 2 types of data collect method, which are primary data and secondary data. An interview will be conducted with the production senior manager of Nulatex Sanjiran Berhad, Mr. Haji Muhammad Firdaus Sivaraja, in this research. The purpose of the interview was to get an in-depth description and explanation of the company machine used in the production process and the SWOT analysis when using the automation machines. In addition, we interviewed the respondent by visiting Nulatex Sanjiran Berhad in Qian, Johor. There will be 11 main questions asked during the interview sections. We also use secondary data sources in this study, such as journal article, book, and website. We use the Google Scholar, ScienceDirect, and Emerald to search for journal articles. Data analysis. In this research, we use a collect data from the interview sections and study from the previous study analysis by using a logical method to explain, summarize, and evaluate the data. Now is result and discussion. List of the production process that use automation in Nulatex Sanjiran Berhad. Tipping line machine. In the process of molding the condom, the tipping line machine is used to make the condom. Electronic testing machine. This machine is used for quality control test of the finished condom. Sealing machine. This machine functions to apply the oil to the condom and also functions as packaging the finished product. Electronic water leakage testing machine. This machine is used to check the quality of the condom, such as checking whether there are holes in the condom or not. Tumble drying machine is electronic motor rotate used to remove the moisture from a root of condom in the drying process. The last is bursting machine. This machine used as a measure of resistance to breaking. Bursting strength depends on the scalability of the condom and the tensile strength. That's all from my part.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Hui Yeng. I will present threat analysis of threat. The threat of United SPN are product condom or quality in high quantity. The market quality that test condom to cover 40 countries around the world. Next, save money by using the automation machine. For example, they use 2 workers in the production process. Leader to divider and market condom to vertical simulation. This is because the company is the brand awareness. The first condom to be complete with iOS 40,074 and meet all international standards such as US FDA. Next, the winner of Duratec XM are the full automation machine may back down for 2 or 3 weeks. They need to high professional extent of technical for outside of the sector. The brand become of less important. This is because raw material cost and eventually prosper. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Good day, doctor. My name is Tan Kai Sing. Matrix number is AP190170. I would like to present about opportunities of new latex in implementing automation in manufacturing process. The first opportunity for new latex to implement automation in its production process is the intention of achieving full automation for all phases of the latex condom manufacturing process. Neuratex production department hopes that the production of latex condoms will be fully automated by next year. Next, the second opportunity for Neuratex to be competitive in the latex condom market is proximity to its rubber latex suppliers. The transportation costs of raw material are reduced. Neuratex can offer its customers a competitive price. Finally, the third opportunity for Neuratex Sendirian Berhad to be competitive in the latex condom market is its reputable suppliers. Neuratex only purchase and use the highest grade of rubber latex to produce latex condoms from reputable and trustworthy suppliers. Then, I will present about the threat of Neuratex in implementing automation in manufacturing processes. The first threat that restrains Neuratex from fully automation in its latex condom production process is that fully automated machines are too expensive. The costs of full automation are higher than the costs of employing enough workers to operate the machine. Next, the second threat of Neuratex Sendirian Berhad to full automation in its production of latex condom is the lack of high-skilled labor. The high-skilled workers must have knowledge of programming, repairing, maintenance to make sure that the fully automated machine can operate properly and efficiently all the time, as well as minimize the possibility of machine breakdown.
The challenges of Duratec MTS to put machine man better and low better. First, automation machine built in the company. For the machine system itself, it needs to be high and be high quality. They way more in buying advanced and new automation machine. Second, they need workers with some experience to fit and given approval for the finished condom. This make sure that the tech import and the graded material meet the requirement. Third, they are invited on each website. For example, marketing campaign in online platform to attract customers. Lastly, the raw material we are labeled and change them into a solid product. The quality problem with raw materials since the company imports the latex from other countries. It cannot receive packaging material on time. That's all for my part. Thank you.
My name is Cheong Ying and my matrix number is AP190261. Now I'm going to present my part, conclusion. So in conclusion, automation has the potential to simplify procedure and eliminate any inconvenience that may be experienced by the industry. For example, Nulatex and Jian apply automation in its production process. Each automation had its application in operation. The automation machine used in the production of Nulatex and Jian such as dipping line machine, electronic testing machine, sealing machine, electronic water leakage testing machine, and others. However, the sealing machine and electronic water leakage testing machine are considered a semi-auto-operate machine due to their still require manual operation. So, automating a workflow improves workplace efficiency and productivity just as using a software program to collect and organize huge amount of information makes day-to-day operation more efficient. So the use of automation at Nulatex and Jian result a cost saving due to a reduction in the amount of manpower required, accelerate the process of designing and marketing condoms to achieve maximum stimulation, and enable the company to provide condoms of a high quality. On the other hand, there are also several problems or risks occurring when implementing automation technologies, such as high costs in maintenance and service, and the production and operation might slow down due to machine breaking down for 2 to 3 weeks. Therefore, automation is becoming increasingly popular across a variety of business sectors, from manufacturing to banking, in an effort to boost productivity, safety, and profitability respectively. In an environment with a high level of competition, automation will help to improve connectivity and reliability. The situation at Nulatex and Jian is now semi-autonomous, so they need to look for investors to invest in automation technology. In the event that Nulatex and Jian is effective under this condition, their organization may be able to maximize the potential of value resource. A completely automated machine not only helps business manage their inventory more quickly and accurately, but also will provide the opportunity to make the most of their resources while maintaining or even improving product quality. Lastly, the main goal of future research would be to figure out how important the quality of fully operated technologies is and to come up with plans that company can use to make end user high quality products. So that's all from me. Thank you.